This is industry standard. This is the one we've created. Now, when it comes to installation, it's best to remove the brake pedal assembly out the car. And what you're going to do is the stud, the original stud that went on the actual rod, what you're going to do is we've supplied a template to go over this rod here. And what you're going to do is you're going to mark your hole, remove it, drill a 3/8 hole, and now you can move on to installing your stud, which will be, this is for an aftermarket SUV, or this is for a supplied Hydrotech that normally everybody runs in their car. And now this plate also comes with the mounting hardware, which is all threaded, ready to go. And all you have to do is thread your bolts in all the way to the base plate. Comes with the supplied nuts, serrated nuts, and that's it. So this here is the bolts already placed into the plate with the serrated nuts on the end. That'll complete your installation.